All right, everybody, fast video, 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. I need your guys' opinion. Need you guys to put it in the description really quick, or comment section, whatever, really quick. All right, three things. I'm buying a GPU in the next couple of hours, but like in the next 9-10 hours. It's currently 12:51, going on 1 a.m. So here's the one. Y'all all know I wanted a 5070 Ti Strix. I can buy the Strix right now, but I'm in a dilemma right now because I'm looking at 4 different cards, and I don't really know what I want to get. So you guys know me. So what should I get? The 5070 Ti Strix, the 5070 Ti PNY, the 5070 Ti Gigabyte. I was really pushing towards the PNY, but the plastic shroud, everything towards it, like the plastic is just like pushing me away from it. I just want full metal, like my 5070 Ti right here, my Tough. The only reason why I'm buying a new one is because, like, you know, guys know I like RGBs. And the thing is that I don't know if there's something going on with my graphics card or something, because I keep getting some malfunctions with one of my monitors. I don't know if I have a faulty monitor or if there's something wrong with the graphics card that's going on it, and it's just not picking up the monitor correctly, because I do have a what is it, a 15-inch 13-inch small little portable monitor that you could travel with. That's just like blinking out anytime I try to watch movies and stuff. It just clicks off. So I don't know if it's basically the cord that's giving me the problem or what, but I've been getting some freezes and stuff like that, so I don't know if it's the GPU that's giving me the problem or not. But the thing is, I'm looking towards, I can get a Gigabyte right now. I can literally walk into a store tomorrow and pick up a Gigabyte 5070 Ti with the RGBs and stuff all on it. That's on the fans. I'm pushing towards that. But I'm also looking towards a Zotac 5070 Ti also. But I'm also looking towards a 5080. And I'm like, do I want to get a 5080? The reason why I never really buy a 5080 graphics on a 5080 graphic card is because, if you guys know, I had a 4090 Strix, and that caught on fire. So I'm kind of like scared to buy anything like in the 80s or the 90s. Like if it was a 5080 or a 5090, I'm kind of like scared of buying it. I have the money to buy it right now. I'm going to just walk inside the store and just purchase it, because they have a couple available right now at my local store where I'm located at. I want to buy it, but I'm just debating if I want to get the Strix. What do you guys think? I really want to get that the Zotac, but that brownish champagne color is like throwing me off. The PNG, I was pushing towards that PNG, but the plastic and the small, like I like the fact that the graphics cards is a little bit bigger compared to the smaller ones. I don't really care about the small ones. I like the bigger factor towards the GPUs, but I'm pushing towards the Strix and the Gigabyte. So I might just walk inside the store. I'm going there early in the morning before the store opens, stand outside and get the card. I'll be able to get everything just right there and walk out with it and come straight back home. I still got to get me a CPU. I got to get me a i7 14700K, or I might get a i7 14700KF. I don't really care about integrated graphics. I really don't mind about that. But which one? Because I'm pushing out the PNY, and I'm pushing out the Zotac. So right now it's just the Strix and the Gigabyte. So which one should I get? Tell me right now in the comment section before the morning, because I am buying this thing right now. I'm going to actually wait for you guys. As soon as you guys give me a suggestion, I'm going to order it online and pick it up in store. All right, I'm going to catch you guys later. Peace.